Hello, this is Ari with Modern Telecom. I'm going to show you the steps to factory reset your Polycom phone. We're going to press the home button and then move over 1, 2, 3, 4 options to the middle one here where it says settings. Press the middle button to confirm. Now we're going to go to the second option, which is advanced. Confirm. And now you're prompted for a password. The password you'll type is 789. Then push this one here where it says enter. Now there's 3 options on this menu. We're going to choose the first one, which is administration settings. And scroll down. 5. Fifth option on the list here is reset to defaults. Select this one. And right at the bottom, reset to factory, 6th option. Let me see if that's the last one. Yep, that's the last one on the list. So you can go all the way to the bottom until you see reset to factory, and then enter. Are you sure? We say yes. That's it. The phone will end up rebooting twice. By itself, you don't actually have to do anything. And once it comes up and has your name back up on the screen, it does briefly flash on the screen, provisioning successful. But once it comes up with your name on the screen, the phone is ready for use again. I'm going to show you an alternate way to factory reset the Polycom phone. Right now it's unplugged, and I'm going to plug it in. While it's booting up, there's going to be a screen where it lets you press the cancel button to cancel the startup. We're going to push that. Now you have this screen that says you have 5 seconds to log in. We're going to hold down 1, 3, and 5 at the same time. Now this screen comes up here that says enter the password to factory reset. And that is 789. Then OK. Resetting configuration. Now the phone will reboot itself twice, and when it comes back up, it'll be configured again.